How to track your eBay order. So let's get started. If you have an eBay account, you can track your orders from your purchase history. All you have to do is click on the My eBay at the top right corner of your screen and select Purchase History from the drop down menu near the top right of the home page. Here, you can see the shipping progress for any item you have purchased after the seller ships your item. If your seller uses a tracked shipping service, you can view carrier information and your order's current location by clicking on the tracking number. If your item does not have tracking, you will still be able to see the estimated delivery date for your package. You will see an example of each case in the images available here. If you think the seller is using a tracked service but can't see a tracking number, they may still need to upload it. It is a good idea to ensure your shipping options before buying the item, but you can contact the seller to ask them to add tracking. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.